this is one test case I have demonstrated completely, and I have also given one assignment for you guys. So the assignment is like there are three different test cases. I am going to explain one by one. So the second test case is repeat whatever steps we have done. So the same product we need to add two different sizes to the bag. So let me go to the bag one more time. So let me clear this bag. So remove the bag items, and I have selected one of the product, right? Open the product, and then we are having multiple sizes. So click on one of the size, add to bag, and again click on the second also, then add to bag. So we should add only two items in this test case. So select two different sizes and add to bag, and then you can validate whether the two products that are added are successfully validated or not. You can put the if conditions and just check whether it is coming correctly. So this is the second test case. So this is the same process. You have to write few more steps, two or three more steps. Um so in that steps, what exactly you have to do? You have to select multiple times. First option you are selecting, click on add to bag, and then again select the second one and then add to bag. So after clicking on the second item, you have to go to the bag, and in the bag you are having two items. One is the XL and one is XXL, and these two products you have to validate. So this is the second test case. Now coming to the third test case. So in the third test case, what is the scenario, right? So let me take only one product is there. So first of all, you can add one product and come to the cart. So in the cart you have to change the quantity from one to any other quantity. So here only one quantity is there. So let me go back and take a different product as an example. So I'm going to remove this product. So this quantity is only one left out. So for demoing, let me take a different product and add to bag and go to bag. So here quantity, if I'm doing clicking on quantity, right? So we are getting a pop-up saying like 1 to 10, any number of quantity you can select, either 2 or 3 or 4, whatever you want you select. Like let me take 2 and click on done. So you have to do this using automation. So select 2 and click on done. Now you are getting quantity as 2. So you have to verify in the previous step. If you selected 2, then 2 should come, and the price also will be double, right? 2 means into 2 you should do and verify whether the price is coming correctly. So this is the part of the third test case. So update the quantity and then verify the total price of the product for the multiple quantity. So this is the third test case. And the fourth test case is add more than one product. So different sizes you can add, or you can add a different product also. Let's take like in this page I am opening the first product, and then I am opening the second product also. Two products you can open, or same product you can add two times and then go to bag. So right now two products are there. So based on the price information, these two products are 7497 is the first price. So three quantities there. So let me take example only one quantity. So one quantity 2499, and the medium size is also 2499. So if we add both of this, the total amount will be like something, right? And the platform fee and the shipping fee is also getting added. So you have to validate here the total amount. So this is the fourth test case. So add the product information, both the prices and the total amount. You should also add the platform fee and the shipping fee. So shipping fee is free here. If it is free, you don't need to add anything. But platform fee 20 rupees is getting added. So 20 rupees you need to add to the total price and check the total amount. So why I'm giving you this assignment, because these kind of scenarios will be asked in the interviews also, and your logical coding skills will improve if you are practicing this. Already a complex case I have already showed, and these are going to need additional coding steps. You need to practice this. So this is the assignment. So test case 2 is adding different sizes of the same product, two different sizes to the product cart, and you can validate that. And then you need to change the quantity in this case, and verify the total price of the item. It should change, it should not show the one. If you are adding two items, it should not show the price for one item, right? Into two or into three, based on the number of quantity it should multiply. And based on the multiple products in the cart, you should check the platform fee and the shipping fee, whether it is adding up to the total amount correctly or not. So these are three different test cases you can try to automate. This is assignment. And the first scenario, first of all, try to practice. So these kind of things will help in the interview. So uh, sometimes in some companies also, they will give me like I have faced one of the interview also, where they gave different e-commerce website, and I have to add some items to the cart, and I should navigate to the cart and verify the information. So these kind of things are very common in the interviews. So try to practice with this website Myntra.com, and take any other demo website or real websites in the internet, and try to practice this kind of things. So this is like verifying end to end, right? So here multiple steps are involved in this code. We have used actions class, we have used the get window handles, and different locators like class name, xpath, and used for loops also, and used strings concepts also, like multiple things, end to end concepts we have used here. So this will help for the coding improvement. So you will definitely learn a lot of things while practicing these kind of problems. So try to practice this. That's it on this session. Thank you.